So the Group on Earth Observations is an intergovernmental group that unites 80 countries, the European Commission, and 58 participating organizations like Dante, among others. And it's been formed in 2005 after earlier summits, ad hoc summits, Earth observation summits in 2002 and 2003, on request of the World Summit for Sustainable Development and the G8. They realized there was a need to harmonize all the independent efforts done on Earth observation, and there was a need to get that into the political level as well, so it involved governments and politicians in the decisions to be made on how to set up Earth observation systems and how to convert them into decision-making support. Earth observation is a term used for all measurements that are performed of the environment, both from space and from ground-based or aircraft-borne or ship-borne devices, to measure many properties from geology through water conditions, and these are always usually performed by government organizations. Recently, even public and private enterprises have come on board, but those have hardly been coordinated before at a global scale. And that is one of the objectives of GEO, to build out of all these independent measurements a system of systems, and add to that system of observation systems also a layer of information support to decision makers. One element of the global Earth observation system of systems is its network. All these systems communicate over networks. The bandwidth required for those networks is dramatically growing even as we speak. The observation systems are more numerous since we're filling gaps that have been identified through the GEOSS process. The individual observation systems, each one of them has a much greater resolution than its predecessor, which is another factor increasing the bandwidth requirement. On the user side, we're not just delivering to a number of scientists, we're now also involving decision makers and feeding support tools for decision makers, which multiplies greatly the number of users that will need to receive also large data flows. So it's not just exponential, it's a multiplicity of increases at the same time, which is all requiring bandwidth and global coverage of that bandwidth. To achieve its objectives, GEOSS has a large scientific community, and it's a global community. And we want to use GEANT to really serve the large amount of data to these scientists, and also use it to export the results that they generate into the global information decision systems that again are supporting decision makers all over the globe. So this bandwidth issue is very important for us to benefit from. The other GEANT property we want to use, or the capacity we want to build on, is the e-collaboration functions that it makes available. And our scientists are, as I said, spread over the globe, and e-collaboration is the only way to make them cooperate in the most efficient manner.